Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a very simple recipe, delicious and creamy peanut butter at home using just two ingredients, raw peanut and salt, which is very healthier than store-bought and it tastes amazing. So let's get started. Alright, so with me here is my raw peanut. We'll go ahead to give it a good wash. If you're using the already made roasted peanut, you don't have to go through all this process. You just peel it, then add it to your food processor or your blender. We'll spread it out evenly on my baking tray. We'll then go ahead to pop it into the oven and let them roast for about 10 to 15 minutes. But you can use your frying pan. And also making sure you stir them halfway through to ensure even roasting. This step is very important because it enhances the natural flavor and gives your peanut butter that rich taste. So 10 minutes later, I went ahead to remove my peanuts from the oven. Then go ahead to peel them by using my hands. Okay, but you can use your cheesecloth. That will be much easier. So the next is to turn the roasted peanut into peanut butter. We'll go ahead to add the peanuts to my food processor. You can use your blender or whatever you want to use. It's gonna work perfectly. You can also process them warm or let it cool down a bit. At first, the peanut will break down into crumbs and they'll form a thick lumpy dough. We'll keep blending until it's transformed into a smooth and creamy batter. We'll then go ahead to add in about a tablespoon of salt just to enhance the flavor. If you prefer unsalted peanut butter, feel free to skip this step. I will give it another quick blend to mix it all together. And that is it, guys. Homemade peanut butter is ready. Look how creamy it is. It's perfect for spreading on toast, adding to your smoothies, or using it in your favorite recipes like peanut butter soup. Yes. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out whenever I upload a new video. Let me know in the comments how your homemade peanut butter turns out or what you would like to see me make next. Please stay blessed and happy. Bye guys!